What's going on, everybody? So do you want to make PayPal money without filling out any surveys? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 mobile apps that can potentially make you $500 per day. I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can make PayPal money with these apps. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, guys, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of ways on how you can make money, how you can start your online business, and of course, how to grow on YouTube. So if you want to learn more, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. So first of all, guys, let me show you a summary of the PayPal commissions you can make. This is my PayPal account here. I can't show you the full thing, but I have a screenshot here of some of the PayPal payments I've received. You can see here, some of these obviously I'm paying out, but here's a payment here of $294. Here's one of $1,600. Here's one of $65. Here's one of $266, and one of $56. So guys, and then this is recently, okay? Today's March 1st. You can see here February 29th, February 28th, February 24th. So guys, I'm consistently getting these PayPal payments, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so first thing you need, guys, is you need a PayPal account. Okay, so with that way you can get paid out to your PayPal account. It just makes it really easy, especially like if you just want the PayPal money, you can go straight from your PayPal account to your bank, okay? So the first app I want to talk about is called Buzzbreak, okay? So this app, if you ever been like on a CNN website where you're reading these crazy news articles, they basically pay you to read the news. And some of these articles are insane, like, we spotted Bigfoot, at this lake or whatever. So basically they pay you to literally read these articles. So, if you're already reading articles right now and you're like kind of just wasting time doing that, you might as well get paid for it. So if we go to the BuzzFeed website, or this is from the Google Ad Store, you can see here, you can install it. Let me see here. Here we go. It's a 4.4 out of 5, so it's a highly reviewed app. Totally legit. You can see here that you literally just read articles and you get paid. And you can see here, here we go. So you can cash out your earnings via PayPal or Venmo. Okay, so yeah, guys, if you literally just want to read an article and get paid, this is one option for you. The second app I want to talk about is this app right here. It's called MNFST, okay, Raise Your Influence. So this is a pretty cool app. I haven't actually heard about this before, but like back when I was doing influencer marketing, I would have loved to use this app, and I'll show you why. Because what you do is you can become an influencer and you create content, and they literally pay you for that, okay? So same thing here. They pay you via PayPal. Here we go. So withdraw your earnings via PayPal. Or you can donate to your charities, which is pretty cool. So if you go to their website here, MNFST, you can see here, let me go to the top. So what you do is you basically create content and you post it on, using this app, and they literally pay you based on your influence. And of course, you can get a bigger following, and then you'll get paid more, right? So basically, let me just show you how it works. You create content, whether it's a photo or a video, you share it on your social media, and you get paid. It's pretty cool, guys. This is a really cool app here. And you can see here, you can withdraw using PayPal or donate to a charity of your choice, okay? So which is pretty cool. And then let me show you one thing I wanted to show you. Yes, so you can enter your phone number and you can see how valuable your profile is. So depending like how much followers you have, you can make a ton of money, with this app. This is pretty cool, guys. This is like, if you already built like a small following, if you have a big following, you can use this app to make some money, okay? So that's the second app. Guys, stick to the end of this video because I'm going to actually give you guys a bonus on how you can make even more money after we go to the third app, okay? But the third one is called Daily Raffle, and this one actually allows you to make the most money, up to $1,000 a day, okay? So if you ever played the lottery, you can literally get a scratcher and see if you won money. This is kind of similar, but it's in the app version, okay? So it's got a good review, 4.4 out of 5. And if we read more here, you can see that you can transfer the money to your PayPal account or your Bitcoin wallet, okay? Most people following are looking to get straight to their PayPal account. That's usually what I like. It's just easier. You can, like here's my PayPal account here. I can literally just take this money here and transfer it to my bank account, right? So that's the cool thing about PayPal. But yeah, anyways, let me go back here. Yeah, so with this app here, here's their website here. You can see that the daily raffle, it's a free application with daily price starting from $100 up to $1,000 a day. So it's a lot of money, guys. You can make a lot of money with this app, okay? So you can kind of read up on what they do, but it's basically, it works like the lottery, okay? And so it depends. You can make a little bit of money or you can make a lot of money, okay? So guys, those are the 3 apps. Now the bonus that I want to talk to you guys about is what got me to my first 6-figure a year with affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is called Legendary Marketer. Okay, this basically walks you through how to start an online business. Okay, guys, because to be honest, you can go through all these apps here and you can make money, but you're not going to get to that 6-figure mark. It's just not going to happen. You just have to put in so much work with these apps that it's going to be really hard to get to that 6-figure mark, right? So guys, what I want to show you guys is this here, okay? This is how to build an actual business and an actual brand that you're going to get paid forever, okay? That's what I've done. That's what I've done on my YouTube channel. That's what I've done with my Facebook group. I've literally built a business that'll pay me, passively for years and years and years to come, okay? Now, I understand if you don't have money to start, then you want to do stuff like this where you're making money, using apps, you're using your influencer, you're using influencer marketing, or you can do the daily lotto. But whatever it is, it's not going to make you rich, right? So what I want to show you guys is this program here, okay? It's literally only $7 to start. It walks you through how to start an online business from beginning to end if you've never ever started an online business. So this is going to be like if you're just trying to create that passive income that it will pay you forever and ever, okay? Now, what's cool is when you first sign up for this, and this is going to be the first link in the description below, you're going to schedule a call with your mentor, okay? You're going to get a free mentor, and they're going to walk you through how to start your online business, okay? And you're going to go through here, and they're going to give you, a one-on-one call. You can see here, schedule your one-on-one call. And they're going to give you a bunch of bonuses and stuff like that, okay? So this is really, really cool, guys. I've actually made a ton of money just with this program right here, okay? Plus, the education with this program is amazing, okay? I promise you it'll change your life. So if you want to learn more, guys, click on the first link in the description below, and it's going to walk you through the 15-day challenge, okay? And I'm in the challenge. I've gone through the challenge, and literally this is what I did when I first started, and it got me to where I am right now today, okay? So, guys, if you found a ton of value in this video, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day on how to make money online, how to build passive income, and how to build your YouTube channel. So if you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon.